Ready? Exercise number 17, progressive. General matter, start. This exhibition highlights our skills, capabilities, and expertise in chemical and allied industries. It also affords an opportunity to our overseas friends to know the progress of our chemical industry and the sophistication and quality that it has achieved. While the organized sector has developed adequate communication channels, the potentialities of the small scale industries are not widely appreciated. I hope that the ChemTech exhibition also projects the progress and prospects of the small scale sector in our country. The chemical industry in our country covers a wide spectrum of industrial activity varying from giant petrochemical complexes to the small units formulating paints and varnishes. The products of the chemical industry are widely used not only in the day to day life but also in the development of agriculture, industry, and also in defense. The chemical industry has made a significant contribution in augmenting food production by supplying fertilizers and pesticides. It has also helped in relieving pressure on cultivated land by substituting cotton by man made fibers. It has contributed in the conservation of water resources by providing organic water retardants and polymers for canal lining. Chemical products have improved contribution materials and substituted scarce materials by engineering plastics and nylon. It ranks as the fourth major industry in the country today. The investment in the industry has increased from rupees 300 crores in 1961 to over rupees 2500 crore presently. The export of chemicals last year has been of the order of rupees 165 crore. The range of products exported include drugs and pharmaceuticals, dyes, agro-based chemicals, etc. Not only are the chemicals diverse in nature, but these have been exported mainly to the developed countries of West Europe, North America, and East Europe. This is a proof of the sophisticated products made by this industry and to the high standards of quality. As one who has attended to farming in a drought prone district, I know for certain that the fertilizer cost to the farmer have neither come down nor has he been assured of its timely supply. I am mentioning this to highlight that the ultimate end user, the farmer in the villages and the average citizens, should have the demonstrated benefit of your skills, technical knowledge, organizing abilities in the form of cheaper fertilizers, pesticides, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. This shall lead to further growth there. The chemical industry is technology intensive and there is need for continued research for development in the process and equipment field. The technologies involved are multidisciplinary and fast changing, necessitating continuous research and development effort to enable the industry not only to keep abreast of the latest developments abroad but also introduce new products, processes, and materials of construction. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research is playing a very useful role in developing domestic technology situated to our needs and in contributing to our national goal of increasing self reliance. It is equally gratifying to note that a large number of units in the drugs, pharmaceuticals, and chemical industries have set up research and development laboratories. As you are aware, my government is bestowing special attention to the rural development, maximization of employment opportunities, and decentralized industrial development. If the rural incomes are to be plugged back into industries, it must be preceded by some well demonstrated examples of plants located in the rural areas and processing agricultural materials to bring the benefit of a steady price for the farm produce and a share in the value added by processing along with agro engineering. The agro processing units have to be developed in the rural areas. I am sure chemical process plant manufacturers will apply their rightful role in this regard. The chemical industries, by their very nature, pose problems of industrial hygiene not only to the workers of the industry but also health hazards to the community arising from pollution and disposal of effluents. There is urgent need to devote greater attention to disposal of industrial waste. Indeed, valuable raw materials could also be recovered from such waste. Greater attention needs to be focused on effective recycling of industrial wastes, production of fertilizers from sewage, and spent wash of sugar distilleries, etc. Effective pollution control cannot be brought about only through legislation. It is imperative to develop a social awareness on the part of industry to industry to recognize its responsibility in ensuring protection of the environment and society from the threat of pollution. A number of agricultural crops and raw materials could form the feedstock for several cottage and small scale chemical industries such as oilseeds, hides and skins, bamboo products, etc. What is required is fabrication and distribution of inexpensive equipment suited to the appropriate level of technology. One of the persistent maladies of rural life in India has been the lack of drinking water and sanitation. Many of the diseases and sufferings in the country could be alleviated by supplying inexpensive devices for water purification and waste disposal. Harnessing of the solar energy in India deserves special attention. Full stop. Thank you very much. Guys, please try to repeat the matter. Thank you very much.